We're asked to divide 35,428 by 44. To do so, we look at the divisor 44 and ask ourselves, can we divide 3 by 44? We can't do that, so we look at the next number. Can we divide 35 by 44? Again, 35 is smaller than 44, so we continue. Can we divide 354 by 44? Well, yes, we can. Now the question is, how many 44s are in 354? We need to estimate this. We can round 44 to 40 and think how many 40s are in 350 or so, and our estimate would be 8. So let's see, if we multiply 44 times 8, we get 352. So we write, and that is less than 354, so we write the 8 above the 4, and we put our product 352, but this is really 800, so we need 352 hundredths, or 35200 to subtract from the dividend. When we subtract, we have 228 still left to divide by 44. Now the next part can be tricky. We're working on the tens digit, so coming down to the tens digit, we need to ask ourselves, can we divide 22 by 44? Well, there are 0 44s in 22, and we need to write the 0 in this place as a placeholder. Now we move to the next digit. We divide 228 by 44. Again, we need to estimate about how many 40s are in 228, and we're going to estimate 5. So we multiply 44 times 5, and we get 220. We write the 5 in the ones place. We write the product 5 times 44 under the 228 and subtract. Since 8 is less than 44, we're finished and we have a remainder of 8. So the quotient is 805, and there's a remainder of 8. And that is how you write your answer.